Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of I react to Dudley Puppy gets some dead meat.
Oh no.
No, how does Boomboxer have to get that?
I've got the bleeding ice cream.
That's right, Boomboxer. You are suspended for a year. You kept on helping Mario cause not Boomboxer trouble. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office.
Why?
Tom and Jerry don't deserve those. Well, let's see why.
Why? Me and Jerry got red-colored candy bars.
That's right, Tomcat and Jerry the Mouse. You both are suspended for 2 years. You two kept on destroying school property every day. Go to...
Well, they could deserve that for attacking each other. Wow, that's the only reason why they have to get those, really.
Principal Steinbeck's office.
I've got a blood wine.
That's right, Evil Zara. You are suspended for 3 years. You kept trying to kill the real Zara. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office.
No.
Yay, thank you for giving Boris that, because I do like Caillou. I don't care for Rosie. I hate Doris. And Boris is my worst Caillou character.
No. I've got a chainsaw. Now Caillou will be even more happy.
That's right, King Lion's dad. Or should I say, Boris. You are suspended for 4 years. You kept abusing Caillou for no reason. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office.
This isn't
My sister will be so freaking happy when she sees this.
disaster. I've got an eyeball candy.
That's right, Total Grandmother. You are suspended for 5 years. You kept bossing people around and bullied Courtney. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office and no more bossing for you.
Oh, I'm screwed?
Okay, Dakota. No. Natural love for Sam, but why does Dakota have to get this?
I'm so totally screwed. I've got a skill candy. Now Sam is going to kill me when he sees us.
That's right, Dakota. And I don't care if Sam will kill you. You are suspended for 6 years. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office.
No.
Yeah. These three deserve it, except these two deserve... Doris and Rosie deserve it. Wow. Doris deserves it, Clementine doesn't deserve it, and Rosie. Nah. I don't know, really. Why is...
No. Me, Clementine, and Rosie got 1970s cards.
Now Caillou is going to be proud when he sees our cards. Rosie, please. We are almost in dead meat.
That's right, Boris, Clementine, and Rosie. You 3 are suspended for 7 years. You are so close getting in dead meat. Go to Principal Steinbeck's office. You 3 are in big trouble.
the part I hate?
I've got a red card. Can I please have another chance?
You just sweared, and Dudley Puppy is one of my favorite Nick characters ever.
So Dudley Puppy, why are you here? I've got a red card.
Dudley Puppy, this isn't acceptable. Go home now.
Dudley Puppy, how dare you get into meat? Do you know how much it costs to get you back in? That's it.
Well, I hate Principal Steinbeck. So why are you making him a principal? Well, he is a principal.
You are grounded forever. Go to your room now.
What?
Now Dudley Puppy gets grounded. That's part 2. Bye.